Hi guys, so today we are at the plaza to interview Marvis Bistro!
Looking for a spot that serves good vibes and great food? Welcome to Marvis Bistro, where every dish is made with love and every moment is made special. Accompany me and my friends JM, Mark, and Chris in our interview.
First question, sir, is how do you hire employees?
Bali, mostly sa mga employees namon, it's either mga ginapakilala sa amon, mayroon man kami nga halin sa mga go-JTD before, mayroon man mga go-walk-in nga ga-apply.
Next question, what are your techniques in screening candidates?
So basically, ginalantaw naman nila work experience before, or if try din sila na naman work for example, isa ka semana, yun depende sa performance nila kung din sila naman ibutang or reabsorb sila naman.
So again, question number 3, sir. How do you empower your employees?
Balihan mo to ng pagpa-experience sila, pag-explain sa mga nabudlayan nila, pag-intindi man ko ng mas better way para ma-improve nilang ilang kagalingan.
Okay. So the 4th question is, what are your ways of motivating your employees?
Through hands-on experience para mas ma-realize nila kag ma-intindihan ang mga questions man sa ila.
Within the...
Okay.
How do you train your employees?
With the help man sa ila mga upod. For example, may mga experience na ding iban, kinahambala namon nga tudloan nila kung nung obra or kung may makita man kami for example nga wala nila may na-perform, natudlo man namon para sa dason nabantayan man sila nga kung masulit pagid i-remind lang gid sila. Kay naman nila ma-adapt naman lang nila sa sulit-sulit.
Number 6, what do you do when an employee isn't performing well?
So first, syempre yung balon mo gid sa kung may performance ang hindi mayo, then i-observe mo man kung gina-chakto yung man ako galingon or hindi. Kung hindi pagid madala, i-report sa guro sa mas taas pagid bisamon kay para mambalan pagid siya liwat.
Number 7, do you give employees a chance to grow or get promoted?
In some ways, ginapa-experience kung sila naman sa obra sa iba nilang upod. Para for example, kung ang dumas head sa ila, wala sila ang magulos sa take over sa obra.
May education sila.
Oo. Kay para for example, kung wala ang isa may magulos, kag hindi man sila mapudlayan, aware sila sa taran obra.
Number 8, how do you encourage teamwork among your staff?
Ginapaintindi ko sila nga kung magbuligay sila pala hindi mudlayan yung obra. Kay for example, dito gabi ng dayanay lang sila, mas dira ganong away Pero kung sila mismo giintindihanay, dira ang obra nila kadasig lang. Masugo nilang upod nila nga wala bala sa ganay lain buot.
Kagang flow sa restaurant na
Kadasig wala sila.
Number 9, does your company have specific values or culture everyone follows?
Sa amon dito wala, hindi kito ka mas preferred din naman nga do balay mo man siya lang pag-adapt natin. Do isa ka mo kapamilya, nga do wala lang kinalain sa isa kag isa.
wala pressure sa
Wala gid kami standard na rules.
So number 10, how do managers and staff stay in touch and communicate openly?
Sa amon dito wala gid kami guro impose kala nga do si amon isa hindi mo siya may istorya. Mas open kami sila nga kung may problema bisan wala di ma-message lang sila, matawag lang. Pag parang hindi pa sila bala matahak.
sa galit sa bar.
Kasi akong kag isang posisyon mo hindi ka man nila pag-istoryahon may tago man sila sa inyo. Mas better nga istoryahon mo sila nga open ka man bala nga matawag ka lang nila.
One call away lang kung may problema sa post
masolbar nyo dayon kay na-inform ka sa early.
Thank you sir sa pag-accept ng amon nga. And that's it guys.
Looking for a spot that serves great food? Welcome to Café de Notre Dame, where every dish is made with love and every moment is made special. Find them at Trafalgar Square, Zone 15, Talisay City, Negros Occidental. What are you waiting for? Book now and enjoy Café de Notre Dame.
Good afternoon guys, we're here at Café de Notre Dame and we are here with Miss Frexy. Miss Frexy, how do you hire employees?
I prefer I hire the employees na meron siyang attitude. Number 1 is the attitude for hiring the staff, attitude. Kung hindi magandang attitude, hindi mag-work ang team.
Number 2, what are your techniques in screening candidates?
Okay, so the techniques is just be patient lang pag train ka sa mga staff or sa mga employees mo. You train them properly.
Now, question number 3 is, how do you empower your employees?
So, for our empower the employees, ako simple lang dapat command ka lang, follow the rules na always. Kaya pag once na rules mo is empower mo na ang imo. Tapos, dapat maintain mo lang sa in charge ka or manager na meron ka pa rin adjustment sa mga staff. Kaya dapat hindi mo lang lahat na magiging maldita ka or what. Dapat in-nice way ka. Laging in-nice way. Management tityab. Management training.
Thank you, Miss. Question number 4. What are your ways of motivating your employees?
Well, for motivation of the employees, na madali lang yan. First step na gagawin mo is explain the process. Hindi naman perfect ang employees, so you need to correct. Diba? So kung i-correct mo na siya, hindi ibig sabihin na pinapagalitan mo siya. Kasi that's the part of motivation. Hindi pwedeng babayaan mo lang. Kasi kung babayaan mo yan, walang mangyayari. Diba?
Question number 5. How do you train employees?
For me, because ako simple lang kulo ko yan. I treat the employees na parang ano lang, parang mga, for me kasi, because I'm the HR, parang friends, pero it depends yan sa situation. Equally, treat equally talaga. Pag alam mo naman na it's out of boundaries na iba naman meron. So you have to balance it.
So, Miss, now question number 6. What do you do when an employee isn't performing well?
So, well, pag ganyan nangyayari, sit down the employee, talk to him or her, kung ano nangyayari, if something happened, or may family problem. Sometimes, hindi perfect ang situation, ang kanyang work or kanyang performance. So, you have to sit down and talk to her or to him.
So, question number 7, Miss. Do you give employees a chance to grow or to get promoted?
Yeah, of course. That's encouragement din sa other staff na I have to work harder para makita din na may potential career nga in ang posisyon.
Next question, Miss. How do you encourage teamwork among your staff?
Okay, for the staff, for the teamwork of the staff, dapat lagi open lagi lahat. Kaya hindi magkakaroon ng magandang teamwork if you're one of your staff or one of your co-employee nga hindi happy sa work. So dapat lahat may harmony, may love, and desires pag-work. Pagkaroon ng teamwork. That's all.
Question number 9, Miss. Does your company have specific values or a culture that everyone follows?
Actually, for here in Cofake, wala mo siya actually because I'm the one who decide about that.
And last question, Miss, is how do managers and staff stay in touch and communicate openly?
So we have set-down meetings, mga ganyan. We set-down meetings kami for that. Open forum, kung anong mga situation, para okay lahat. And even though my boss, we have a sit-down meeting once a month, mag-record siya. Ganyan lang kasimple sa cafe.
That's it, Miss. Thank you, Miss, for your insight, Miss.
Okay.